All right, this is the approximately 5 years with this Clear for Life tube tank, 35 gallons. It's only 10 inches deep. So in this location, I didn't want it sticking out too far. As you can see, it's kind of a passageway going over there to the dining room, kitchen area. And so I was looking for a 10-inch deep tank, and I wanted it to be 24 inches tall, which is about getting to your limits for your normal aquariums. And it's 3 feet wide. It's actually like two smaller tanks with tubes between them because I guess in acrylic it was not available in a one complete tank, I guess because of the strength issues of the acrylic and stuff. I think today it's possible to get a one-piece acrylic tank, but I'm not really sure on that. But anyway, I've been happy with this setup, and you can see dog is still working away at her job, just like the fish in the tank are working at their jobs, catching food. So actually, I don't think any of the fish are the same. I've kind of switched over to these discus. They're kind of like the centerpiece of the room. Pretty cool. Always looking for food, and since they see me, they think maybe they're getting some food, so they're kind of curious. And I also always keep the tetras. They go together well. I also have some shrimp. Just saw one there. Now he's hiding there. He's coming out. I guess with these, if you get the jumbo shrimp, they seem to survive well, like discus. Don't seem to try to eat them because I guess they're too large, almost as big as the tetras. And I got this aqua illumination power heads. That's new. Bluetooth controlled. I've also switched over to the aqua illumination lights, the freshwater lights, Bluetooth controlled. They give me more room up top here. The old LED kind of like took up the whole space, so now I have like more breathing room up here. As you can see, I got the filter hoses and wires and everything are coming up through the back behind the tubes. So that's one nice thing about the tube tank. It gives you like access to all your utilities and stuff from down below. It leaves the sides of the tanks clear. This is the Clear for Life pine cabinet also that I got at the same time. You see down below, I've switched over to the CO2 cylinder. I used to have a DIY setup, that was just like too much work. And this CO2, I just need to fill it like once a year or so. And I also got the Fluval 406, fits nicely in this 10-inch cabinet. Fortunately, there's the CO2 getting injected as we speak. Inline CO2 injector. It's controlled by this Milwaukee pH meter. So the tank seems to always be trying to creep up, and when the CO2 injection goes on, it brings pH back down. I have it set at 7. Have an inline UV filter and an inline heater there in the back, set for 84 degrees. I like to keep as much stuff out of the tank as possible. Makes the cleaning easier. So this is made good use of this space in this cabinet. And plants, I think, are still the same Java plants and the same Amazon spears. The Java plants have really thrived in the past couple years. The Amazon spears seem to be struggling more. I don't know what's up with them. They might just be old, but they used to, the spearheads used to go all the way to the top of the tank, you know. Now just kind of, it just grows small and then get brown and dies when I prune them. They're not thriving as much anymore. As you can see, the fish are still curious as to whether if there's some food coming. They're pretty cool. I get a lot of enjoyment out of them. So I hope this video comes out better. It looks good on my phone when I play it back. Then I uploaded it to Amazon yesterday, so this is like a repeat attempt, because it came out all fuzzy when I uploaded it on Amazon. I'm also doing landscape this time, where I had portrait before. So anyhow, give you another update in another 5 years. Hopefully these discus will still be around then. I guess they're supposed to be have like a pretty long lifespan. Enjoy.